today's YouTube video. Now today we are going to start Unit 5 poem, and the poem name is Where Do All Teachers Go? Actually this is the question because the question mark is there, and where do all teachers go? यानी सारे टीचर कहाँ जाती है? Where do all teachers go? And the poet is Peter Dixon. The poet is Peter Dixon. Now in this poem there is one child. Now generally we can see all the child, those who are in the nursery, KG1 or KG2, they have very praise about their teacher. What teacher is wearing, what she is doing, what she is eating, which kind of hairstyle she is doing. That means they have so many questions about their teacher. They don't feel that our teacher is ordinary person. They don't feel it that our teacher is ordinary person. So teacher is very special person for the child. When it is that is school child, teacher is very special person for them. So here also when the poet is child, when the poet was child, he was also having so much queries about his teacher. That means very much curiosity he was having, and so many questions he was having in his mind, that what teacher is doing, where she go, what she eats, with whether she is living with the family or not. So many questions are there in his mind. And what he has done, now when the poet got elder, he has written that all the question in his poem, the poem is Where Do All Teachers Go? So let's read the poem and let's see what poet is going to say in this poem. So you also open the page number 67, and there is poem Where Do All Teachers Go? When we were a child, we also having the craze about our teacher. We also having the craze about our teacher. What teacher is doing, whether she is writing or sitting, what she is wearing, how she teach, what she does after the school. This all the question we also have when we are the child. So let's read what the poet had explained here about his teacher. For a little child, a teacher is a special. When we are child, that time all the teachers are very special for us. We always know when the teacher asks for the pencil, so everyone wants to give the pencil to the teacher. When the teacher asks for the scale or pen, so everyone wants to give the pen or a scale to the teacher. That means everyone is crazy about the teacher. So here also poet Peter Dixon is saying, for a little child, a teacher is very special. It is difficult for a small child to think of his or her teacher as an ordinary person. That means they don't think that their family members are common for them, but the teacher is very special person for the child. Teacher is very special person for the child. They don't think that our teacher is an ordinary person. They always chant their name at home. My ma'am, my niece, my ma'am said this, my ma'am told this. This everything they just think in their mind, and they have just very curiosity about their teacher when they are the child. Now here when the poet was also child, he was also having so many queries in his mind. So let's read the poem and let's see. Where do all the teachers go when it's 4 o'clock? That means here the poet is saying when he was child, he was having the question, and that all question he was reminding and he was asking in this poem. So here in the first line, the poet is saying, that means the child is saying, where do all teachers go when the school time is over? जब स्कूल खत्म हो जाती है, जब स्कूल की छुट्टी हो जाती है, तो सारे टीचर्स कहाँ जाते हैं? Where do all the teachers go when it's 4 o'clock? That means the child wants to know about the life of the teacher. Here the child wants to know about the life of the teacher. He was very curiosity, he was very eager to know about the life of the teacher. That's why the first question is the child is asking where all the teachers go when the school time is over. Do they live in the houses and do they wash their socks? Now what the child is saying here, क्या टीचर भी फैमिली के साथ रहती है? They also live in the house as we also live in our family with our mummy, papa and brother, sister. In the house we live. As same like us, teacher also lives in their house with their family. That means the teacher also live in the ordinary family, in the ordinary house as we live. So the first question was where all the teachers go after a school. जब स्कूल ओवर होती है तो सारे टीचर कहाँ जाते हैं? एंड डू दे लिव इन द हाउस, वो भी अपने घर में रहते हैं जैसे हम अपने घर पे रहते हैं. डू दे लिव इन द हाउसेस, डू दे वॉश देयर सॉक्स. Now here the next question is, do they wash their socks or do they wash their clothes as the child's mother do all the works at their home, washing, cleaning and this everything. So here also child is having the question and he wants to know whether the teacher is also wash her own clothes or she wash her clothes also and the socks also. So here in the first stanza, the poet, the child wants to know about the life of the teacher. Where does she live? Whether she live in the houses? Does she wash her all the clothes and socks? This everything. Now in the next stanza, do they wear pajama and do they watch TV? Now the next question the child is having in his mind, do they wear the pajama? That means after coming from the school, child redress their dress. They remove the uniform and they wear the pajama and t-shirt and whatever they were having at their home. So here also the child is one question. Child is having one question. After school, teacher is also wear the pajama and she also watch TV. So this is the question in his child's mind. So after school, all the child watch cartoon and something on the TV. So here the child is asking, teacher is also watching TV or she also watch TV and cartoons and other program, and whether all the teacher also wear pajama and t-shirt. Now, and do they pick their nose the same as you and me? And did she pick their nose? The child is very innocent. They do whatever with their nose. Sometimes they twist their ear. They many activities that they by your own. They do by their own. So the child is having the question. Teacher also pick her nose or does she watch the TV and all? So in the first answer, the first question is where all the teachers go after school is over. Does she live in the family? Does she live in the ordinary house? And does she wash her all the clothes and socks? Now in the second one line, the child wants to know what the teacher wear. Did the teacher wear the pajama? Does the teacher watch TV? And does she pick her nose like me? The child is asking here. This many of this query is in his mind because the teacher is very special person for the child, and every child wants to know more about her or his teacher. Now in the next stanza, do they live with other people? Have they moms and dads? Now here the child is asking, the child is living in his family with mom and dad. But here the child is wants to know, teacher also live with the family, with her family, and teacher is also having mommy and daddy. This question the child is having. And whether and where they ever children and where they ever bad. Now here the child is saying, when my teacher was child, he was also misbehave sometime with the other. Did she does any mistake when the teacher was child? This all the questions, so many questions the child is having in his mind. Now the next question is child is having, he is asking here, does the teacher live with her family, with her mummy and daddy, or does she does any mistake when the teacher was child? like that. Now in the next stanza, did they ever never spell right? That means in the next fourth stanza, the child is very eager to know about when the teacher was child, did she done any mistake? Did she did any mistake when she was child? Even she has written any wrong spelling when the teacher was child, or did she done any did any misbehave with others? This all the question he is having. Did they ever never spell right? Even did they did any mistake when the teacher was child, or they spell wrong? Were they punished in the corner for their misbehave? For all the child are doing misbehave in the class sometimes. For the other activity, they interrupt others, they just fight with each other. So for their mistake, for their misbehavior, teacher punish the student. Teacher punish the student. So here the child is having question and he is asking, teacher was also got the punishment when she was the child. मतलब टीचर को भी कभी पनिशमेंट हुई है जब वो छोटे थे, या कभी उन्होंने मिसबिहेव किया है जैसे हम करते हैं, अभी हम जैसे चाइल्ड है वैसे टीचर भी कभी चाइल्ड होगी. सो दैट टाइम डिड शी डन एनी मिस्टेक, और उनको कभी पनिशमेंट की है टीचर ने, या उन्होंने कभी स्पेलिंग रॉन्ग लिखा है. दिस मेन क्वेश्चन द चाइल्ड इज हैविंग एंड ही वांट्स टू नो अबाउट द टीचर्स लाइफ. नाउ did they ever lose their hymn books? Did they ever leave their dreams? Now here, when we are child, sometimes we lost our eraser, we lost our pencil and pen, and we just find here and there, because all the children when they are in the group, they share the things with each other, and sometimes most of the things they lost, like their scale, pencil, eraser, pen, this everything they just lost. So here the child is asking, did my teacher also lost something in her school? टीचर ने भी कभी उनकी बुक पेन या कुछ लॉस्ट किया है? Did they scribble on the desk on the top? On the desk, many of the children is having that habit to write on the desk and write on the bench. So here the teacher poet is asking, did the teacher also scribble on the desk sometime? That means when we are child, we just like to scribble on the wall, scribble on the table. So here the child is asking, did the teacher also scribble on the desk? टीचर ने भी कभी यहाँ वहाँ स्क्रिबल किया है? टीचर को भी कभी पनिशमेंट मिली है कि नहीं? टीचर ने कभी मिसबिहेव किया है या नहीं? और कभी रॉन्ग स्पेलिंग लिखा है या नहीं, जैसे हम अभी करते हैं टीचर हमको पनिशमेंट करती है. सो लाइक दैट ऑल थिंग्स टीचर के साथ भी हुए हैं कि नहीं ये सारे थिंग्स. नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट एंड लास्ट पैराग्राफ, did they wear old dirty jeans? I will follow one back home today. Now here the poet is saying, did the teacher wear old jeans? घर पे हम कभी भी जाते तो पुराने कपड़े या पुराने जीन्स या फटी जीन्स भी पहन लेते. सो द सेम क्वेश्चन द चाइल्ड इज हैविंग एंड ही जस्ट वांट्स टू नो, टीचर भी कभी घर जाते हैं तो डर्टी जीन्स या डर्टी पैजामा पहनती है या नहीं? जैसे हम तो पहन लेते हैं पर टीचर भी पहनती है कि नहीं? दिस क्वेरी इज हैविंग इन हिज माइंड. नाउ व्हाट द पोएट इज सेइंग, he follow one of the teacher and he just, now here the teacher child is saying, one day I definitely follow the teacher, one of my teacher, I will follow the teacher and I will know about her life, what she does after going from the school, what she eats, what kind of dress she wears, whether she is getting scolding at their home, or whether she is living in her family, does she is having mother or father, or she is having sister and brother. अब यहाँ पोएट क्या बोल रहा है, एक दिन तो मैं ज़रूर टीचर को फॉलो करूँगा और मैं जाके देखूँगा कि टीचर कहाँ रहती है, टीचर फैमिली में रहती है या नहीं रहती है, whether she is wearing the dirty old jeans, what she wears, what she eats. This all about the family the poet wants to know, and I will find out what they do, and then I will put in the poem. Now what the poet is saying here, first I will follow one of my teacher and I will observe what my teacher is doing, what she do after the school. This everything I will see and this everything I will find out, and then I will write the poem. Then I will write all this question in my poem. Now the poet is elder now, and the same question he has written in this poem. Whatever the question, because for every child the teacher is very special person. He gives very much importance to the teacher. They don't listen to their parent, but they listen to their teacher. So here the poet is saying, one day I definitely follow the one of my teacher and I will find out all the questions of my I will find out all the answer of my question, and then I will write the poem. So the teachers will read for their student. So the teacher will know how many queries the child is having about them. So the teacher will read this poem for their student. Here the Peter Dixon was the child and he was having very craze about his teacher. So the meaning of the question he was having in his mind, and he just followed the teacher. He is saying at last, I will follow the teacher and I will find out all the answer of the question and will read one poem, so that the other teacher will read this poem for the student. So here the same, the poet has written this all the question, and now I am explaining this poem to you. That means, so I also got to know that how much queries the child is having in his mind. Now here the first stanza, second stanza, and third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This is the six stanzas are there in this, right? Now I will give you homework first. Before giving you homework, I will again explain the summary of this poem. That when the poet was a child, he was having so much queries about his teacher. जब पोएट छोटा बच्चा था तब उसको बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस थे अपने टीचर के बारे में जानने के लिए। जैसे टीचर स्कूल में आती है तो कैसे पढ़ाती है, क्या पहनती है, कैसे हेयर स्टाइल करती है। सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस ही वाज हैविंग। आफ्टर स्कूल टीचर कहाँ जाती है, दिस मेनी ऑफ द क्वेश्चन ही वाज हैविंग when the poet was child. So what the poet had written that all the question in this poem. So in the first stanza, the poet wants to know about the life of the teacher. About the life of the teacher. First, he just wants to know after school where teacher goes. After school, when the school is over, where do all the teachers go? सारे teachers कहाँ जाते हैं? Whether they are living in the family, टीचर्स को मम्मी पापा हैं वो अपने फैमिली में रहते हैं, whether they live in the ordinary house, whether does the teacher wash her socks and wash her clothes also. This or here again in the second stanza the poet is asking, does the teacher wear pajama, does the teacher watch TV? And now in the next stanza the poet wants to know about the family of the teacher. Does the teacher live with her mummy and daddy, with her family she is living? And did teacher do any mistake or misbehave when the teacher was child? जब टीचर छोटी बच्ची थी या बच्चा था तब उन्होंने कोई मिस्टेक की है या नहीं, मिसबिहेव किया है या नहीं. This all the queries the child is having, and he just wants to know about the life of the teacher, because the teacher is very special person for the child. Now here the next fourth stanza, the child is asking, did they ever never spell right? Does any time the teacher write wrong spelling, or did she misbehave any time in the class, or for us misbehaving, for the bad things, for the fighting, or does she was getting the scolding, or she got the punishment from the teacher? This everything she was just asking, he was just asking in the fourth stanza. Now in the fifth stanza, did they ever lost their hymn books? Or now here, as we lost everything sometimes I was also in the school that time, I also lost many of my things like pencil, eraser, most of the pencil and eraser I lost. I hope student you also lost many of the things when you in the school, because we share the things with our friend, and sometimes we lost the book also, sometimes we lost the pencil, eraser, and many of the things we lost sometimes. So here the poet is also this same the question that teacher did the teacher also lost her book or pencil or eraser, or and many student is having the habit to write on the desk or to scribble on the wall. So did the teacher also scribble on the board on the desk when she was child? Now here in the last one stanza, the poet is he just wants to know the life of the teacher, that what teacher wears. Did teacher wear sometimes the dirty clothes? Does she wear sometimes the dirty pajama, dirty jeans as we wear? So here in the last stanza, the poet is saying, one day I definitely follow the teacher, one of my teacher. I definitely follow one of my teacher, and I will find out all the answer of my question, because that poet is having so many questions and he just wants to know about the life of the teacher. So he just saying here, I will follow my teacher and I will write all the questions which I am having in my mind, and I will write the poem. So here when the poet grown up, when the poet Victor Dixon grown up, he has written this poem, where do all the teachers go, and now what he says, when I will find out this all the question, I will write this and I will make one poem, so that the teacher will read the same poem for their student. So here we have completed this poem. Now what you have to do here, you have to read this poem 2 times at your home. You have to read this rhyme 2 times at your home. Now I just give you the homework here. Write 5 sentences about your teacher, which you want to know. Now what is your homework? You have to write the 5 sentences. Make 5 sentences about your teacher which is very special for you. That means your favorite teacher is who. So write the 5 sentences about your teacher which you want to know. जो आप जानना चाहते हैं वो ऐसे जैसे पोएट ने यहाँ लिखा है, as the poet has so many queries, so how much query you also having about your teacher, write down in the 5 sentences. We'll meet soon in our next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and thank you.